Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting devices ready because connection failures usually come from mismatched networks or disabled services. First, make sure your Sony TV is set to its screen mirroring input and your Oppo phone is on the same Wi-Fi. On the phone, enable Wi-Fi and location services. These let the phone discover the TV. Once done, close other heavy apps so the phone can allocate resources to streaming. This reduces lag and increases the chance the TV will appear in the device list. Now you perform the active discovery and pairing step because this is where the devices handshake. On your Oppo, go to Settings, then Connection and Sharing and choose Screencast or Wireless Display. Wait for the TV name to populate, tap it to connect. The TV may show a PIN, enter it on your phone to confirm. If nothing appears, toggle Wi-Fi or the casting toggle and try again. Restarting the TV's mirroring input can force a fresh discovery cycle. Once paired, your phone begins streaming the display. Finish by checking the mirrored screen fits and audio routes correctly so your viewing experience is smooth. Rotate the phone for orientation, set the TV input to the mirroring source and tweak phone volume. Full screen apps usually scale better. When done, disconnect from the screencast menu or disable TV mirroring. If you hit problems, stuttering, no sound, or no connection, restart both devices and confirm they are on the same band. Also check for firmware updates on the TV and system updates on the Oppo to resolve compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.